is our Christmas family cutting dies. Here is two Santas and a snowman with their friends. I already got the shape for the Christmas family. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now take out the washi tape to stick them together. Draw some lines to the Santas. And next, I will use some different colors markers to draw some colors on it. Okay, now after color it, we'll take out the highlight pen to draw some Christmas patterns on their clothes. Okay, now we finished color the Santa with maybe her wife. Before that, we will take out the washi tape to stick the snowman's eyes and the nose. And this one is the snowman's scarf. And also take out the highlight pen to draw some patterns. And the next is the snowman's gloves. In the next part, let's color the snowman. Okay, so take out the glue to stick the scarf on the snowman. Add a hat for the snowman, so we color the hat. Okay, now let's stick the hat. Okay, now the snowman is almost finished. Okay, now here is the Christmas family. Now we finish embossing founder to make some patterns on the background. Some colors, some blue colors on the background. Okay, now the Christmas family is finished. Now here is the Santa with her wife. Here is the snowman, scarf, and here it's. Okay, so do you like it, or do you want to make a Christmas cards by yourself? I think you can try it by yourself. So